So today I will try to analyze one of the stock from automotive sector, and it is from auto components and equipments. If you see the dashboard over here, it is a torque transformer systems. On Friday, it gave nearly 13% upside. Right? And the reason, and if you see the trend of it, 200 days trend of it, it is at its 52-week high. So very positive, you can see. Sorry. And I think the reason being yesterday's result itself. On Friday, it has given Friday or Thursday, I think on Friday itself, it gave positive result. So I don't know much about fundamentals, but at least I can say that the result was good. And technically, if you see, it gave a very good closing. Let's check what chart is telling us. So yeah, as I told, it is a Autobots OEM, comes from auto components and equipment manufacturer. And in yesterday's video, in which where I've made a video on sectoral and indices analysis, there we discussed we are seeing some positive momentum in auto sector. So that's the reason I picked one of the stock from there, which is also strong, which is at its 52-week high. And yeah, in weekly, if you see, it has formed from somewhere around 23rd October 2023. From then, it was in a downtrend. Recently, it started picking up, and it has formed a inverse head and shoulder, as you can see over here. It formed a inverted head and shoulder, and it broke yesterday. Friday's candle broke its neckline. So now the bias is positive as per technical analysis. The reason is whatever the resistance over here, whatever the resistance over here, which is 712. So the 712 price was acting as a historically, it is acting as a supply zone. If you see, somewhere in December, it rejected from 708, and again it tried moving upside. It tested again at in August 25. Again, it rejected at multiple weeks. It rejected actually. From then, it formed the right side shoulder. Then it now, after the result, it gave a huge candle with a good range. So that's what weekly analysis is. So as of now, after a good amount of 1.5 year downtrend, now it started picking up. The bias changed to positive in weekly chart, and you can see if you the price is above the previous supply zone. So the nearby supply zone is somewhere around 860, 870 rupees. And after that, the next supply zone is all-time high, which is 1100 to 1150. So that's what the chart is telling us. But there is no in stock markets, we cannot say that price obviously is going to go and hit the 870 or 1100. Anything may happen from here. The price may see a retest of this supply zone. It may come back to 690 or 700 rupees. Or else in worst case, the price may fall on to 50 SMA also. That can also happen. So all we can do is observe the price and basically follow the price. Don't assume anything. Just follow the price. So yeah, this is what in a weekly analysis. In daily, if you see, yeah, I think you can see the head and shoulder. So yeah, now I think there one of the now the advantage is the price is above the supply zone. That is a positive bias. But on negative side, there is one point. There is a gap over here. Usually, in technical analysis, what we used to see is most of the times the gap will be filled, but when the momentum is so strong, the gap may not be filled. It will be the momentum will be continued, and it will reach the new highs. But in this case, I don't know what may happen. So for that reason, in coming days and weeks, we need to observe the price, whether it is going to come to retest to the supply zone, or it may come to test this gap, or it may fall onto 50 SMA. Anything can happen. So you just need to keep our eyes open and observe the price. That's what I can analyze from the daily time frame also. So yeah, that's it. I think nothing much to tell from this. Currently, the bias is positive in this auto stock. Even the index is also good, or else I will show you the index, sectoral index. Yeah, so this is auto sector, which is above its near its all-time high actually. So yeah, so now sector is also good, and the particular stock is also good. The stock is also positive. Let us just check its ratio. I just want to keep it the video small. I mean simple. So we'll wrap it up in 2 minutes. Okay. So after a huge downtrend, so this is what is happening with respect to Nifty. It is also positive. Yeah. Let me show you with this sector also, this, so that we can finish the roundup analysis. What else? Say next auto. Yeah. So it is reaching its resistance actually. So yeah, that's what. So it may break this trend line, or it may take resistance over here also, or else it may break this and it may reach up to the nearest supply from the ratio analysis. That's what I can see from the ratio. And more strength will come into this particular stock out of all the auto stocks when it breaks this resistance. That is clear. I think you understand what I'm trying to analyze. Yeah, there is nothing like targets or stop losses. I'm not recommending anything. I'm just trying to analyze the price historically, what has happened, and what kind of pattern has formed in the particular stock. So that's it. I will close it here itself. So this is the stock analysis for this week. I'll come up with other maybe in this coming week. I will try to do one of the sectoral stocks, either from consumer durables or manufacturing index. Yeah, thank you.